Wagwan, Wagwan. Welcome back to Island Boy Africa channel. Yes, damn beautiful people. So, recently, me and my family took a trip to Sydney, which was for the Australia Day weekend, and forward back home. And so we spent like 3 to 4 days in Sydney. And as you know, especially when you have a garden, when you go away for some time, there's gonna be changes. But this change is actually a sad one. Before going to Sydney, right, I had some corn, sweet corn, in the garden, and so basically the corn them mature enough where them start to dry up. Once them start dry up, the top of it start dry, so well, you have mature corn can eat. So me I say alright, then I just gonna leave them until I come back from Sydney. Only did I coming here this morning, because we arrived last night, so I couldn't look at the garden. So this morning now I look at the garden, not even one corn left. The bird them eat all of my corn. Literally, it's just like, what you call it? You don't even see the part that, when them take off the grain, you don't see like just the frame of it. I don't know what you call it, but nothing is left of the corn, and I'm going to show you that. But let's just take a look at the garden. What's been happening since I left for like 4 days. Let's see what's been happening, because it seems like, as far as I know, it's been just sun, no water nor no rain, so it's been really hot since we left, and yeah, no maintenance for 4 days, so you know that go. So let's take a look at the garden, how things is progressing. So I just picked 3 okra off the tree, and take a look at this. Now I have red okra. See the difference? Yeah man, red okra. I'm gonna pick that one here as well. Finally them start beer, Alright, so as you can see, pepper them there same way, and tomato. I have some red tomato there now. And see in between, that's the red tomato. Yeah man, but the sweet pepper them, no rain. Now look upon them and how them look away. So I have to go water them this evening. And now I also have red okra. Try to focus that. I have red okra, that's just a small one. I'm gonna show you some bigger ones over here. Focus camera. Yeah man, so lots of stuff falling down from palm tree. Sorry them there, see how I go on, do them thing. But some, we call it caterpillar and all these things eating the leaves on the soil. Gonna have to get rid of them. These are the tomato, not looking good at all though. We have some big one in between the same way. Yeah, there's the big tomato. That one spoiled already, you can tell. Yeah, I'm gonna go and do its things same way, Yeah man, the pomegranate here. It's looking better now, because at one point the leaves were starting to shed. So everything I go and do its thing same way. But let me show you. This is the red okra, and these ones are really big. Take a look at that. These are red okra, my people. First time planting them. I haven't tried them yet. I put like 2 of them in the fridge already from before we left, but these ones are too big now, so I'm just gonna leave these for mature, just for seeds, Yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do with those. Look for my color, Lou. Look like a big Buddha. I didn't even gonna say it. Full of blossom. Yeah man, so we have so many beans again. Lots of beans under here, so I have to go pick some beans. But yeah, this is the corn, as I was saying. Take a look at the corn, my people. Everything raveled out. Watch out. So this is just a small corn. I want this camera to focus so you all can see. Oh man, so this is just a small corn right here. See that one? This is a young one. And them digging at it. Watch out. Nothing no left from my country. If you want to con them, the big con them go through. You can see where they bite everything here. That would be a con on right there. Right here would have a con on it. No con there. Right there should have a con. Nothing at all. Them literally eat down every damn thing. But so it go. When I cuss, I just one of them thing there. You know, me have some okra. By the time I left them here, get big palm me, so definitely just gonna leave them there for dry for next season. This one should be good to eat. Come on, that one here good. More okra there. That one got the rotted bird, them heat down, me think them normal. You know, the funny thing is that I've planted corn several times here, you know, like 3-4 times, and no bird has ever eaten down any of the corn. But me left for 4 days and come back and all of the corn them gone. So it's like the bird them literally watch me and wait till I'm gone and they'll come over. That's how I couldn't believe it, you know. I just one of them something that man. What me I tell you. So it's like me I'm gonna set up some kind of scarecrow kind of thing for chase them bird away. Cause I can't believe it, star. But I saw it go. Yeah man, but I'm sure now how the pumpkin them look right now. But even my cassava right now, I look lovely, man. I like cassava look lovely and the pumpkin them a run. The pumpkin them a spread wild, you know, so soon I'll be having pumpkin, it's a small one, but a portion drop off so far. But yeah, definitely there will be pumpkin that will hold on, you know. Yeah man, I have pumpkin over there, so over on that side too, so yeah. Sorrel them push through. So these are the gongo tree. These are the gongo. And the funny thing is that the gongo them they take a while to start coming. I just now them start a show progress, but the thing is that they won't be ready before winter. So I know say, even though I don't know if they'll grow in winter, but I doubt it. You know what I mean? So yeah, let's see. Let's test the sorrel them now, but the pumpkin start to run on the sorrel, which is not good. You know this how you have to go. And you okra them big, yes, so. Couple of the tomato tree them all bend down to rotted. And if a wind or just tie them never tie up properly. And the melon them a run too. Take a look at that and see that melon right there. So everything I go and make them progress same way, you know? Same way. Just have to move this pumpkin off of the sorrel. Yes. Right. So this is the banana that shoot recently, and as you can see, solid. That's what, like tree and a banana, you know. So yeah man, and this supposed to be another breed of bananas, but yeah, make us see what it look like, cause so far it looks similar to the other one, but let me see. Yeah man, I'm gonna have to cut off this part and let it mature, you know. These are some red callaloo, and I'll cut them anytime soon and out because them overpower in the papaya, which is the papaya is the main thing that I planted here, but all the from the dirt that I dig up and thing brings in all the seedlings of the callaloo. Some of just left them here anyway, and yeah, that's how them come up. And someone in a previous video asked before if this is a soursop tree, and definitely yes, it is. You know, I planted this around 2 years ago or so. You know, and it would have been bigger if minus the winter months. You know what I mean? Because when it's winter, it shed all the leaves fall off. You know what I mean? And it doesn't grow during that time. So, you know, those months take away from the years that it would be growing. You know what I mean? So, for example, if something takes a year to mature here, you know what I mean, it would take maybe 15 months, you know what I mean? So, because, you know, you have winter that takes away some of the time, you know what I mean? So, yeah, man, but right now it's looking lovely. As you know, it's summer. So, it looks really good from root come up. You know, when it's winter, I take all the leaves and I put them to dry and basically make tea with them, you know, because I love soursop tea. Yeah, man. So I showed you all the damage, but now I actually realize where all the evidence is. And I actually walk on it and didn't realize. Take a look at that. That's from the corn people. So them literally took all the corn from over there, bring over here. I'm assuming it must be the crows. Like, no way it could be any other bird. Or it could be the parrot, them, I'm not sure. But, but John was time, I can't believe it. Hi, Mama. Hi. Can I get a smile? Huh? No smile? One smile? Hmm? You're gonna make me cry. Give me a smile. Oh, wow. Okay.